Good night. Hello, teacher. My name is Caterine Garzón. Cant. Rules that must be met to visit a museum. Things to do in the museum. 1. Can take photos without flash. 2. You can freely tour the museum. 3. You can ask questions. 4. Can speak, write, and draw. 5. You can leave comics. 6. Can hold picture collection. 10. You can do in a museum. 1. Can't make noise. 2. Can receive calls. 3. Can't touch anything. 4. Can use flash. 5. Can carry big bags. 6. Can't eat and drink. Thank you. Bye-bye.